Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Cloud AI to Google Drive. To connect Cloud AI to Google Drive, first open the Claude AI website and make sure you are logged into your account since connector features only work when you're signed in. Once you're on the dashboard, click the plus icon, then go to Connectors and select Add Connector to open the list of available integrations. In the search bar, type Google Drive, and when it appears as an option for searching, reading, and uploading files, click the plus or connect button to begin the setup process. A Google sign-in window will open where you need to log into Google account that contains your Drive files. Then review and approve the requested permissions such as allowing Cloud to see, download, and optionally manage selected files. After confirming access, the connection will be activated and Cloud will be able to interact with your Google Drive content based on the permissions you allowed, such as reading documents, summarizing files, or referencing uploaded materials directly in your chat. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.